Today we talk about how can you disable this sign or know how you can do that on your Samsung Members app. So you just follow these ways, then it's going to work with you. All you have to do inverse. You just go here above this sign, click on it here. So when you just click on it, it's going to show for you a list like this here. Click on settings here. So then it's going to take you to next here. It's going to show for you like this here. You click here on notifications here, just click on it. So then it's going to take you to next here. It's going to show for you like this. Then all you have to do next. So you just click here on notification categories. You come to next here. You come here to casting or recording started here. Click in this sign or this color. Like you see color, it's gone. That's mean here casting or recording started. Disable with us now. That's all you have to do. That's all. I wish you are great. Thank you for your watching. Don't forget to support us by liking,